Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to complete one test. Okay, so we have learned so many things in this tutorial. So up to what we have learned, I am going to give some question. Please solve it. So let me create one class. Test. Okay. Now question is this. Let me make first. Make a simple calculator program. Swap two number. So calculator, just now I have I mean previous tutorial we have learned about the take input from the user. So if user entering a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 30, so your output should be 50. So make that calculator first. Pause the video and please start doing the coding, and then you can swipe the two number. Swipe the two number means suppose a you have 20 and b you have 10. So swipe means a value should be 10 and b value should be 20, because this value got changed after swipe. So this output I want. Can you do it? Just try it once and hope so you have done it. Let's check the output from my end. So first we are going to make the calculator. Enter a value, then make where input is equal to scanner system.in, where a is equal to input dot next int. Okay, once this value will print, then again the a value is dollar a. Again I want to print this thing. Enter v value. For that again I am taking one variable b is equal to input dot next int and println the value of b is $b. Then I am going to do the sum. Println the sum is here I am taking one more variable c or sum a plus b. Okay, then here I am printing the sum. Let me run this program. Entering a value 10. The value A is 10. Now enter B value. I am entering 20. The sum should be 30. The sum is 30. Right? Same thing we are doing in calculator. Same, you can perform multiplication, division, all those things. Now another video I am going to make the program for second swap to number. Second program, sorry, it should be a second. First we have done calculator. I am going to delete this thing. So here I am where a is equal to declaring the variable 20, where v is equal to 10, and where, so here I am going to printing this value. Some dot before swap, print the a value is $a, the v value is, let me print this first. So you can see I have written value a for 20, value b for 10, and a here it's before swap 20 and 10 it got printed. Now after swap, copy this line, paste it here, after swap. After swap, I am going to write one logic here. I am taking one where temporary variable I am going to take, that will be a, and then a is equal to b. These are the logic, and b is equal to temporary. Then I am going to print these things, this line. I have written logic here. Then I am going to print this value, this two values. This program, now you can check the output. Before swap, a value was 20 and b value was 10. After swap, a value became 10 and b value is 20.